Right in front of you. Damn it. Shit. Right in front of you. Oh. Oh, you're coming up with, I thought he was talking about the fish coming up. There's a grip of them. Coming down! They're coming up! Where are you going? Going up! Fight them.
Coming down.
Coming down! Keep pressure. Run him up, Papa. Going down, going down. Go, walk down with it.
Coming down.
Right here. Oh, you're hooked up. Someone is. Dude, they're fat in there. Look at them all. Oh. Fish home. Coming down, coming down. Coming down.
Cameron.
What?
You gotta do it first.
I can't.
Oh, you got it too?
I got Papa.
Here, Rod. Rod. Fight that fish. Got him? I got him.
You got him, Cameron?
Yeah, I was just making sure he's a native. Or not a native, a hatch. Ow, good hook.
He's a hatch.
No, yeah, he's a keeper, he's a hatch.
Well, don't let him flop down.
I'm not. Go fill out your thing and get another one.
Did I tell you they were gonna come?
Yeah,
I gotta bring my damn pliers.
I have them somewhere. I have a pair of pliers. God, you hit that thing. Okay. Here, let me use your rod while you're filling out.
Yeah, pull that out. Pull it out.
I got it.
Sure?
Yep,
Throw him up on the bag.
I will. Who's on, you?
Let go. Everybody let go.
Oh, you three are hooked up. Oh, shit.
They let me go then.
Just-
my out then. It's okay, just take my leader up.
Did you fill out? It's in my bag, front pocket. Oh no.
Did let me go then.
Shit. Yeet. Oh my god.
Just take my way up and let it go. Just take my
Fish on!
just take my way up and let it go.
It was? You still got him in. In the what? That's perfect.